What a pleasure it is to address such a beautiful warriors through this video. My name is Andy Money. I am a master NLP practitioner and transformational life coach. Today, our topic is what's happening in the world. Yeah, what's happening in the world? Do you know? In my opinion, a series of unfortunate events have shaken the course of our world. The COVID-19 pandemic almost brought the world to its knees. The sudden emergency of this unprecedented global pandemic not only took a medical expert by surprise, but also had a devastating blow to the global economy. The intense shockwaves of the global pandemic that hit the developed countries to the extent that their economies will remain stressed for many years. This new global state of recession is most saddening because experts were projecting a steady declining in poverty through the 90s and 2000s. But it is most unfortunate to mention that the pandemic has triggered a considerable rise in poverty and decrease in global median economy by staggering of 4%. The post-pandemic consequences are novel and have put fear in the world. It also left a severe impact on developed countries. Multiple economies have crashed and inflation is at its peak. People around the world have lost their jobs and their loved ones. At this point, it will be accurate to say that the world is still in the healing process. What's most alarming right now is that the global crisis following the pandemic is intensifying. And the impact on the development and growth is extremely challenging to the extent that the developed countries have faced severe hits to their financial positions and are currently in critical macroeconomic dilemmas to maintain national survival for the decade. It is noteworthy that people have failed to understand what is really going on the world. Global debt has gone over trillions dollars. Think about it. If we are the ones who print and make money, who do we owe it to? Do you know? Who do we owe it to? Human lives until the year 2000s were affordable and budget-friendly. But now inflation is so high that college graduates have to work 2 jobs just to survive. And not to mention that the staggering student debt that are so high that some governments have started giving a bailout packages Global inflation has gone up more than 200% just in the last decade, and the different kinds of viruses that have started to break out in animals and humans really makes you wonder what is happening in this planet. Who is in control over humanity and the economy? What makes me more concerned is the realization of how distracted we have become due to social media. Scientific studies have revealed that now the human attention span has dropped down to 8.25 seconds. That is all the time we focus on something and then we move to the next. Never really sitting down and contemplating what we have seen or heard. We need to understand that these are some of the most challenging times for humanity. We must be sincerely grateful to God for helping us through such a dark times. And preparing us before we struck with difficulties. Right now is the time when we need each other the most. Humanity needs to become more united, and we need to wake up from our slumber and start taking a stand for making our lives better. Most importantly, we need to rethink our future and recognize this as an opportunity to rebuild ourselves stronger and act in a spirit of solidarity and generosity to the people around us. Think about it. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. It's free to you. I spent quite a bit of money to making this video because I love you, guys. Only thing I ask you is to like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. Okay, thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.